Hello everyone, this is a short demo for Tronslog Insta, which is a tool for freight forwarders. You just go here, log in, and this is the dashboard which you get to see. You have admin control, you can add your users, your sales team, which can generate quotations, you can create here users, and then it also gives you the reports, rates. You can upload your sheets, your rate sheets here. So once you uploaded your rate sheets, it will show up here, and you can also chat with our backend team if you want to talk something about this particular sheet. You can have a discussion. When it gets live, and those rates will show up in the backend search. And this particular sheet is live, so it tells you in how much time it has got live. So once you start preparing your sales team starts preparing a quote, they just come here, make an entry, select the date, and let's say Mundra to Valencia, make an entry 15,000 kgs and get a quote. So this demo account doesn't have its own rate, so it can check the rates if it is there in Tronslog. And yes, there are rates. So if he wants to prepare a quote for his customer at $688. Now this is a buying. Select, go on the side, you can check the origin charges. Musk, yes. Destination charges, Musk, yes. That's your bucket. Next. In your buying, if you want to add something more, don't forget this is your buying charge. You want to add something on pickup. Say for example, pickup 20, 1, currency say USD, amount 100. So this is your buying. You can enter the remarks column wise, and once you have finished all this, it goes all the way to delivery charge, submit, and this is now you start adding up your margin. So on pickup, if you want to add say 5%, good, it automatically gets added up on the right hand side. You want to add something on shipping, origin shipping line, freight, you want to add say $50 on freight, you can also add in percentage. Automatically on the right hand side the freight got added up with $50. So once you have done everything, you can see a summary, buying, selling, the profit percentage, submit again, and this takes you to enter the customer name, phone number, email ID, and in your profile, if you already entered terms and conditions, it will automatically show up every time the same, and you can save a quote. Now it won't save the quote till you enter the customer name. Something has to be there, otherwise it won't move. Let's save a quote now. So once the code gets saved, you can also create a PDF. This can be downloaded and dispatched to your mailed to your customer. You can also prepare a cost sheet. So the cost sheet will tell you the buying, the selling, and the total profit. Total profit here, legwise. Okay, going back to your file. Now this gets saved. Again, go to dashboard. You can have a look on the codes which are active, and that's active. We just now prepared this, created on 18th of and profit, yes. Now once you negotiate with the customer something, you want to edit it, you can edit and go ahead, or you can see if you won. So if you save it, you have won it, then it shows here. Go to dashboard, and it just shows one. So once you have seen the generated quote dashboard, it can also be seen who prepared it. So the vertical head or branch head can see who has prepared the quote. and he can monitor his sales team. So this allows the team to make a quick quote for his customer. Then the branch head can also set the targets. Like you see, this is what the targets are. You will see the target listing. These are the targets given to individual sales guys, and it can be monitored against what actual quotes have been generated or quotes have been won. Vendors, you can upload your vendors. This is the standard format of all the vendors you can upload here, in what categories you want to upload. We also have a template. You can download a template and fill up that template and just choose file and upload it. So automatically this allows you to do a bulk upload. And we also have something called you want to track the business you have done with the vendor. So I will show it here how that works. Say for example, this is the search where you can easily search country wise that how many vendors you have. You can identify which city, what's the rating you have given to them, did you execute any shipment with them, what is the business you have done with them. That's the kind of data you can pull up. Now let's see if you did a business with this guy, then you would like to update the data of what business you have done. So you just enter what shipments you have executed with him, what's the billing, paid within the due date, yes or no, what's the rating you want to give him, comments from the vendor, what does he want to comment about you during the business, and what is your comment about him, and you just save. So all this starts getting saved here. Now this is some data which can be pulled out anytime 24/7 by any of the guys. No need to call your respective branches, and it will also be saved under the name created by. So your team will always know that who worked with him. So this actually is very effective when you have a lot of multiple offices and you want to manage your vendors. We also have a customer section where you can upload your customers. You can upload customers contract. If you have some special rates for some customers, you can add a contract code. So what happens is when you are making a search, only those rates show up which belong to that particular customer. Okay, so that's about it. You can also generate records of what all search have been done till now. Within this time frame, the top 10 pairs which were searched. If you have done the booking, then which are top 5 carriers which were booked, top 10 clients. This is very effective for your weekly or monthly meeting, review meetings. The reports can be downloaded in Excel format. You can play around with it. And then there are 10 other reports. These are users report which I have just shown you. Then you have Tronslog KPI reports where you can see how many port pairs are live, how many port pair rates are live on your system, how many rates have you uploaded. And your sales team, your pricing team will always want this information so they know that what are the products, I would say products, or the freight rates, port pairs which are live. So here we have only one sheet uploaded, SAF Marine, which have 1935 port pairs data behind. Sheet lifetime, in how much time did we live the sheet for you, because our backend team has to calculate. So within 7 hours, we usually commit within 48 hours we will live the sheet, but here we have within 7 hours. So that's about it, guys. A very user friendly and to the point tool, Tronslog Insta, which helps forwarders to manage their team and their day-to-day operations. We have purposely not kept the billing and those things in this to avoid it getting more complicated. Just start with this, and maybe in near future we will add billing as well in this one. Thanks for watching. If you have any clarification to ask, you can always visit our site and check and drop in a message on our website under GeoChat. Thank you.